Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to share sheets in Google Spreadsheet. So I want to move this sheet over to my business sheet account. So what I want to do is I want to go up into the right-hand corner where it says click share. Now you can add groups or you can add people. This should be your information here because you're the owner. And then you have the option, it's either restricted. So only people that you give this link to will be able to see it, or it's more open where anyone on the internet can see the link. So because I do want to switch owners of this page, what I'm going to click is anyone with the link. And over here in the drop down menu, you can see that it says viewer, and you can have them in the role of being a viewer, a commenter, or an editor. So I want my other account to be the editor. And because I want to send this to somebody directly, I'm going to enter in the email address. You'll have that drop down menu again, making sure you are giving the permission to do whatever you want. You can notify this person through an email. You can write a little bit of a message in here, learning Google Sheets. And if you need to link anything, you can also, copy the link for this. And then you'll just hit send. And then access has been updated. And then in my next video, I'll show you how to accept a shared file and transfer ownership. So if you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find them to be helpful as well. Bye.